So the past couple days, we've had a couple hens sitting on the boxes, not letting anybody take the eggs. Here's one of them. And there's the spot for the other one. So maybe she's out getting some food right now and she'll be back. Let me see if they're all warm. Oh, they're nice and toasty. So it looks like we got a couple broody hens. I don't know if that's part of the plan. Our flock has, we've lost a few here and there over the winter, and maybe it might be okay if we let them hatch some out. We'll see if they keep it up and they can truly hatch these new eggs. Hey, how many eggs do you think they should hatch? How many little chicks do we need?
I think we should hatch 3 for both of us.
3 for both, 3 for each of you, so 9 total?
Well, I think we should do 4 because one's coming. One is coming around the corner.
Listen, come here.
One,
She's a little scared of the chickens.
One little boy's coming. 4 total.
4 total. I think there's a little bit more than 4 eggs in there. We'll see how it goes. We're going down to the creek. We're gonna go check it out, see how it is. It's probably really dry. This is our little trail to the back of the property, and there's a little creek back here. It's a little bit cleared out because I don't want to trek through the ferns and whatnot with them, so I weed whacked it. Makes it pretty nice. It's pretty open.
Stop running.
What happened to the creek? Nova found some water. This spot of the property is pretty nice. It's like our little mini forest. We go here every once in a while, and in the winter the girls love to come out here and play on the frozen ice. Isn't all ice frozen? Ice frozen. You know, you get the gist. Now, I made a video out here in the winter so you could see all of our down trees. And that's just from the person next to us cleared their lot. And then, you know, the wind made these trees topple because they had so much protection over time that they were just not, the roots were not deep enough. And then there's a bunch down in here too. And when I cleared that out, it should make this little creek a lot nicer of an area. Adventure kids, adventure kids. Look at my little adventure kids. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Cow Adventures.
Dad, look it.
Episode 1. Look at you, bear, jump. Jump. Nice. Look at you, little cowgirl down there. Oh, let's go, little cowgirl. This is Dirt Baby. Show me little Dirt Baby. She does not care if she's dirty. Hey, Dirt Baby. Oh my God, guys. So we're looking outside right now. It's looking at the backyard, and there's a chicken corralling baby chicks across the yard. So we have one chicken that stays out every night. We couldn't tell why she was staying out, but apparently we're sitting on eggs this whole time, and now we have baby chicks. Oh my gosh.
Well, you just took the brooder down. I think it's time to put it back down.
Oh my God, we have baby chicks, Mommy! We are about to catch our first baby chicks. Let's go check it out. We are going to feed this food to baby chickens so we can try to put the baby chickens into that bucket. Because we, ladies, want a cat. Hold them. And we have our first baby chickens. And that's why she never got out. She never went in the head because she was laying baby chicks. We are going to give them some food.
Back up, let her come out.
We never had baby chickens by a mama. 7 black ones and 3 tame ones. They're so cute, and that makes 12. And a black mama. We think one of them, or maybe a few, might be roosters. And that is amazing. Well, see you next time.